special day. Time to celebrate. Best birthday to you. You're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby. Your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
आरजे ब्रदर हैप्पी बर्थडे। अल्लाह पाक आपको खुश रखे और आपकी फैमिली को और आपके रिलेशन को।
Happy birthday, RJ Johnny. I wish you more birthdays to come. May Allah bless you and your family. Enjoy your day and be happy. I hope you will do nikah with Miss SM. Amin.
Happy birthday, RJ brother from another mother, and as well as husband of SM. Wish you lots of luck, good health, and wealth on your on your birthday. May Allah give you success in each and every step in your life. Stay happy and stay blessed. Love you, brother, always.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to each and everyone. This is me, Miss Jen. Would like to say happy birthday to you, Mr. RJ, our co-admin and co-owner in this platform. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come, good health and wealth, especially to your love life with my love SM. I'm hoping also that you and my love SM are gonna stay forever and ever. Enjoy your day. God bless you and have a blast. Ramadan Mubarak.
Assalamualaikum and Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. I just want to greet Mr. RJ a happiest birthday. More birthdays and blessings to come, brother. Wish you all the best. And I hope you stay with my mind forever. Stay strong to the both of you and we love you guys. Once again, happiest birthday and Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you.
Everyone, good morning. It's me, Quincy. Happy birthday, Mr. RJ. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May Allah bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. And I wish you and my babes a happy and strong relationship. And always take care of my babes again. Happy birthday.
Hi, I want to greet a happy birthday to you, RG. More birthdays to come in your life. Always good health and always be happy. Always love to your girlfriend and enjoy your day.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to each and every man. So how do I start my greetings to you, City? To the man who stole my heart, make my mind carbon in my Panadol. Happiest birthday to you. I'm so thankful that you are. I'm so thankful for you for being in my life not every single day, every minute, every hour, every day. Being able to just call you my sweetie puts the biggest smile on my face. I'm very glad I get to spend the whole day with you. I hope your birthday is everything you want it to be and so much more. God bless me so many things, but the most beautiful things is when I found and have you in this app. So the love and care you have given me all these months is something that I only cannot compare to my past. Happy birthday, sweetie, my man, my best friend. Should I call you best friend? Hindi naman ikaw ang lagi kong napapagsabihan ng sama ng loob ko. So, and you are always offline. So, my love, I hope you have a blessed day of your life. Happiest birthday, sweetie. I love you. Always remember that I'm always here for you. Understand every inch of your situation. But please listen your being offline. I hope so you can listen it. So I hope also that we can stay more longer. Happy birthday again, sweetie. Take care always. Enjoy your day.